Welcome to another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to talk about how this morning I was down about $350,000 in my FX accounts, but how I'm going to be ending the day in about 50 to 60K in profit. Keep watching. Hey, look, hey, we're watching the markets. Look, we're back on the YouTube video. We're literally live in trades. Take a look, okay? 20K, like 20, okay? But let me just show you, this is a live account, okay, Ox Securities brokerage is 100% live, per usual, my account, okay? I got a light $1 million in this account. I got a couple different accounts though. I'll show you another account, another live account, up 16 bands, live account right there, 16. So guess what? We're up right now about $40,000, very light between those two accounts. As you can see, still fluctuating in profit, but we're gonna hit TP here soon. So you know what time it is. But look, let me just show you between those two accounts. This is just one account. This was literally, look at the timestamp, 9 o'clock in the morning, 8:58 a.m. You guys see that right there today. Look how down I was on that account. $107,000, bro. I got about $2 million in Forex, right? This account got an M, right? You guys can see it fluctuating. I showed you guys the live. Stop playing with me. I showed you guys the live, okay? And then this account right here has a whole nother 750. And then this account got a whole nother, 600, like, yeah, it's all light. All of it is light, but I want you guys to understand, all of this is live accounts, okay? Live accounts, these are not prop firm funded accounts. This is Raphael Vargas's hard-earned money, okay? Now, we were down on these accounts, okay? As you can see, just literally one of those accounts was down $107,000 this morning, right? 10%. I understand my risk settings, okay? Utilizing my AI technology, okay? Look at the peacock, by the way. Come on. This is my house is a zoo. Look at the peacock. First of all, on a YouTube video, when do y'all just see homie just in the backyard doing this? Okay? That's how I'm feeling right now, peacocking, okay? Epic, okay? But as you guys can see, we were down about 300,000 within my portfolios. I have low risk portfolios and I have high risk portfolios, okay? I was down about $300,000, okay? But now I'm feeling like that peacock over there, look, lit. Okay, I was down about 300,000 this morning, 9 o'clock, and look what time it is. It's 12:24, okay? It is literally 12:24 p.m. We're in my beautiful house in Miami, Florida. I was down 300,000 this morning, but I understood, okay? You must understand that in Forex, you are going to take risk. I'm really in anything in life, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to make real money in anything, any endeavor in life, you're going to have to take risk. And that's the beauty about success, is that so many men and women want to literally risk nothing. They don't want to invest in themselves. They don't want to spend money on courses or education. They literally want to invest absolutely nothing to be able to make these kind of returns and these kind of gains. I'm going to be making about $50,000 to $100,000 today once the markets close out, okay? About $50,000 to $100,000. Like I said, look, we're up 28,000 now on the account, 28,000. Very light. This is just one of the accounts. So right now we're up total about $60,000 in open trades, okay? I was down 300,000, but I understood about 300. I understood my risk management. I understood where our equity stops were. On our AI technology, we have equity stops at about 14%. I understood that I was going to risk my capital, and I was very comfortable with that. Why am I comfortable with that? Because I understand that to be successful as a man, I have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. It is extremely uncomfortable. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As we were doing the YouTube video, all trades have now closed. Let's see how much I made today. Boom. A very light $33,000 in profit. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you guys, it's a live account, bro. Look, who does this? Who does this in the industry? Who's showing you right here in live time? We literally just closed all the trades. All trades just closed while we were talking. So I made 33,000 on that one account. I told you guys what I was gonna do. The markets did it for me. 33,000 on that one account. My second account, we're still open on this trade on the second account, but they will be closing very, very, very shortly. Anytime now, we'll be closing out, and I'll be making another 30,000 on this account. So I'll be about 60,000. And then on my master account, okay, another one of my accounts, let's see what I made on this account right here, okay? 16,000 for 60, we have 30, we have another 30, that's 60 plus another 16, that's $76,000. Literally while we're on this YouTube video. It's a beautiful thing. And then people ask me, well, Raph, how do you afford a $50,000 a month fucking mansion? Or how do you afford it? And it's like, you fucking Forex, right? I'm literally, passive income is what literally allows me to live this life, right? The custom Maybach, the beautiful house. Matter of fact, let's go look at the custom Maybach, matter of fact. And I just want to walk with you guys and talk, because I want you to understand that this is possible, right? You're looking at the equity and you're like, damn, Raphael has millions of dollars in Forex. Yes, I do. But the reality is this, I understand my comfort zone. And too many men and women want to live a life where, boom, that account just closed. We're perfect. Beautiful day. Wow. God is the greatest. God is the greatest. Beautiful day in Forex, literally while we're on this YouTube video. And I want you guys to understand this, right? That too many people want to risk nothing to see these kind of gains. It's like, wow, Raph, you made $80,000 in your sleep. Yeah, I did. I made $80,000 literally on this YouTube video because I'm comfortable with my risk. But too many people are not comfortable with being uncomfortable. You have to start getting uncomfortable. Now, this is the most beautiful thing about Forex, okay? Is when you're trading, a lot of people trade manually, which is cool, right? I don't trade. I'm not a trader. I do not know how to trade, okay? I utilize AI technology, which allows me to trade all my capital for me. I have an incredible management team of gentlemen that have been in the industry for 8+ years collectively, and I don't trade my capital, okay? I invest my capital, I utilize our AI technology, and we simply make gains in the market. So today's been a phenomenal, an absolutely phenomenal day. We've made $76,000, and I'm not a trader. Now, if you want to utilize the technology that I utilize, I'm going to put a link down here below, okay? If you want to utilize the technology that I utilize to trade passively for me in the markets, literally, I showed you guys all the proof. Live account, regulated brokerage, and literally live trades while we're in the markets. We just closed out. So this $1 million account right here has now performed, and we are now at $1,032,000. But remember, when I showed you guys this was today. I was down 10% on that account, over $100,000. A lot of people in their stomach would be sick to their stomach. But me, I'm a G. I understand, hey, part of the game, baby. And when you get in this game, any game, you have to understand that losses come with wins. But guess what? We bounce back every single time. So look, if you want to utilize the same technology that I utilize to trade in the Forex markets every single day, okay? I make passive income every single day in the markets. Click the link below, okay? I utilize a company called Blue Hawk Automation. Absolutely phenomenal algorithm and team. Okay, go to bluehawkautomation.com, okay, and check them out. Just check them out. That's the same algorithm that I utilize, right? The same algorithm that you see Blue Hawk Automation utilizes and provides to clients. That's literally the same one that I have millions of my own money invested in. So go to bluehawkautomation.com, check them out. And if you want the same algo, or if you don't want to utilize the same algo, you can go and get your own algorithm and trade passively in the foreign exchange market so that you can make passive income as well. But that's pretty much the game, baby. Look, at the end of the day, you're going to take some L's as long as you bounce effing back. And every single time we bounce back. So that is my story about being down literally this morning at 9 a.m. about $300,000. And now we up, baby. $80,000, pure profits for the day. Rent paid, everything paid. Let's go. By the way, if you like this video and a lot more videos, make sure to like and subscribe all below. Hopefully we're gonna keep seeing you on the YouTube channel. Let's go.